Well, alright, friends, subscribers, internet strangers. What's up? So here we are back again with another bearded picker lesson. Hot off the presses for all these requests. What are we doing today? Today is a wonderful day of how do we remove stickers to send to Amazon FBA. I tried to get a cross-section of different kinds of stickers. I have plenty of stuff behind me if I need to get some more stickers off. But we're gonna do some stickers on different kinds of materials. I'm gonna grab one more right here. I've been working so hard today. Hey, at least the pathway got a little better. You would not believe that I just got back from UPS and dropped off 6 of those boxes, and it doesn't even look like I made a dent. Red van's still full. I'm gonna put you guys over here. All right, let's talk about tools. What tools do we need? Showed this on the show this morning. I use this lighter fluid for most everything. I do have other stuff up in the cabinet. That was one somebody mentioned, Undo. It's very good, very similar to lighter fluid, but this is more expensive. We'll set it to the side. We'll try it out. What else we got up here? I might have a problem. Okay, that I don't know. I know y'all can't imagine this. I lost something. My organization skills are just so wonderful at this current moment. I very rarely use anything else for that, but you can use Goo. You can use Oops. Oops is the one that's in the little metal can. That is my last resort. Oh my God, I can't get this off because that thing tears up lots of stuff. So be careful if you're going to use the one in the metal can called Oops. It is the strongest of them all, and so be careful with that. Okay, these guys here, they're called Scottie Peelers. You can get them. You can buy just the plastic ones. You can buy just the metal ones, or you can buy combination packs. eBay or Amazon, doesn't matter, either one. They're all the same. Just be careful with the metal one because you can't really see it. I guess you can see the belt. Maybe you can see the beveled edge if I kind of turn it a little bit. But it's sharp on 3 sides, and I have got lots of cuts and lots of little bitty cuts to prove how sharp these stupid things are. Well, I shouldn't call them stupid because they're absolutely wonderful when it comes to getting stickers off. The plastic one, on the other hand, you can see it's not round anymore. It's a little deformed. I might have another one in the drawers. The plastic wears out over time, so I just end up being thrown away. This one, you can see it's deformed too, so it's over there in the drawers. It get hard to throw stuff away. There's another metal one. I try to when I get another one, I try to throw them away. So if you don't like Scottie Peelers, there's other things you can try. I keep these around too. The little for the easier to get off stickers. These are the plastic razor blades. They're one edge, one side, and they fit in any normal window glass scraper that you would normally put a regular razor blade in. This is just a metal one. I bought the plastic ones because they're a little lighter duty. This one's if I really got to scrape on something. I don't use the metal one very much because it's much harder to get the blade in and out of. The plastic one, on the other hand, you just unscrew the little guy here, and the blade comes right out. Come on, baby. So just stick it in there. When it cooperates, tighten her back down. So those are the tools we're going to use today. And we're going to get some stickers off now. I've got a nice array of stuff, so oh wait a minute, let me go get one tool. All right, last but not least, the last tool here is this one's made by Darley. It's called the embossing tool. I mentioned it. They call it, I guess maybe it's Derico, Darley. Hell, I don't know. Derico. We'll call it Derico. It's basically a little bitty mini heat gun. It has a little thing there so you can, if you can set it, you can set it on a table or whatever. The end doesn't. It says caution hot and avoid hot surfaces, but it's never gotten hot. It's never burned me. It's plastic. Whereas that joker there, my DNA is all over this one. That sucker It'll burn you. It don't care. It likes to burn you. So we'll go ahead and oops. Don't know what we just unplugged, but we'll go ahead and plug in the heat tool. You see, it's just a little heat gun. You know, it doesn't get hot. But they're $13 or $14. One day I'll make some learn how to do affiliate links, and I'll put some affiliate links down below. But that day is not today. All right. First up, I got a nice little cup here. This is actually, I bought this for me. It's on clearance for $8. I like these when I'm traveling. The big 40-ounce cups. On clearance for $8. I think they're like, I don't know what they are. So if you wanted to get this off without messing it up, easiest way I recommend. Oh, I'm sorry. These makeup wedges. I use these little guys to put the. All right, y'all must go down a little bit. I use these little makeup wedges. I just put the lighter fluid on there, set it to the side. I'm gonna knock that over again. So if you just dab the sticker, you'll be amazed how much of it'll come right off. This is not very delicate, so you can use a little force. Okay, so that's one way. You see I got half that sticker off. All right. That's the hard way. How about the easy way? Because there's nothing to tear up here. If you take that and the guy here, it's melting the glue up. See how fast that was? The difference, you can do it either way. You can do it the hard. The one thing with using the heat is it's sticky. You can't see that it's sticky there. So you need to take the little thing here with the it'll eat that glue right up. And it dries so fast. 1001. I don't know if you can see it drying here, but it evaporates extremely fast. It's already dry to the touch. And now you can use it and feel it. There's no sticky residue left. Now this is ready to go inside for me to wash it. Right. This one is a different beast. Because how many times we buy these things? And there's a plastic. The plastic has a sticker on it. These stickers are relatively easy to get off. They don't leave a lot behind them. And since I have some familiarity with these GameStop stickers, I know that if I get under a corner of one of them, the whole thing will peel up. So be very careful. You don't want to make a scratch. But since that thing has a blade on 3 sides, if you just get one up and going, oops, I got under the first one. This one actually has 2 stickers. You know how it's all a lot easier when the camera's not rolling. All right, so I picked a really good one. This one's been a little difficult. So what do we do? Be very careful. Hit it with a little heat. Because it will melt the plastic. All right, just enough to really give it a little loosen up. See how much easier? I don't know if you can tell how much easier that went under that one. And now that it's coming up, it comes right off. And I didn't put enough heat on it to mess with the plastic, but you can still see there's a little edge. So that's where the lighter fluid, because you don't have to keep putting it on the sponge, the little makeup wedge, because the makeup wedge holds it in place. So nice, clean, no sticker. I didn't mess with the plastic. Awesome. That's the other reason I picked this one, but this one is a touch different. Same sticker, but you've got some on the plate, some on the plastic, and some on the cardboard. You're in luck. Getting under the cardboard is much easier, and you're not going to hurt something. See how I was able to get under there? I don't know how well this is going to come across on camera, but I always start on the paper side, and then easily pull across there. All right, so it come off. It left just a little touch there. So to get that little thing off there, the lighter fluid and thumbnail just. All right, we're all set. So that's 2 things. Very similar issue, but one had some on the cardboard and one didn't. You know, one had double sticker, so it was a much older sticker, so it took a little bit of heat. When I'm talking heat, I mean, I'm talking very, very little. If I'd used a heat gun, I'd have melted it. So that's why I recommend this little guy. Yeah, I'm just going to put sticker paper everywhere. This guy here, there's really nothing to destroy. Everybody's seen that Walmart sticker before, but I wanted to show you what heat does to it. Since I'm not concerned about the cardboard behind it. But you see how this is hot, but it's not like super hot. You can turn it black. it releases that groove. Grab the little guy here and get one corner up. It'll come all the way across. But you'll notice there's some stickiness right there, some stickiness right there. So just like the other one, you want to go ahead and take the time to wipe it off. Because I can tell you this, if you don't wipe it off and wipe the residue off, it'll pick up dust and dirt. And by the time it gets to your customer, you've got to put it in a box. You got to ship it to Amazon. Amazon's going to store it and probably in a dusty warehouse, and then it's going to be shipped, and then in another box. It's going to pick up dust and grime and stick to it, and you're not going to get a, nice, clean, new, pristine look, which is what Amazon requires. So, sometimes you have to be careful. There's a seal right here, a piece of tape, you can't see it. Sometimes the sticker will be on here, and you never use heat on that part of it. I would have just heated the end here and the end here away from the tape and pulled real slow. And because once you get that sticker going, I'll demonstrate that. Once you get it going on one side, we'll do it this side here. Once it turns black, you can get that one side. Come on. Once you get one side going on that one, see if that tape was under there, it wouldn't have pulled it up. And the one thing I would tell you is if you only do one side like that, which is generally what I do, you've only got the residue on one side. So this is the exact same one, a little less residue. Took the sticker off just a little bit different way, but that's the exact same result. It's already dry. That's why I like the lighter fluid so much. It evaporates so fast. Here's another one. These little bitty red stickers like this, for the most part, I think they just come up. But the one thing I'll tell you is any of these that you manually pull up like this, it leaves residue. So I always hit it with a lot of it's about the right tool. These things are cheap. A 4-pack of these is like $8 or $9. And they last, the metal ones last quite a while. The plastic ones not so much. Here's another good one. A lot of times, stickers will be hanging off the edge like this, and it's on tape here too. This the manufacturer's tape. You're very fortunate this way because if you take your time, you can kind of peel this one up. See, I intentionally tore that. See how that tore and it's not coming up. So if you'll take your time and work the other side, and then come back to it, even the parts you tore will come off if you take your time. And when you pull them off like this, there's almost never any residue. Just run your finger across there. There's no residue. This one has another one on the bottom. Since this is plastic, it's pretty tough. Even though that's an easy sticker to get off, it's much faster just to... You can see where it's changing color. You can use the side of these Scottie Peelers. See how I'm doing there? You don't have to just do the end. You can do the sides. But once you've got it going, come up. It comes all the way up. No residue. The cardboard is pretty good. So, and we got one more guy here. On this one, you just need to be careful with plush. You see the sticker is on the tag itself. The things I would tell you need to be careful is you don't want to pull on the tag too much because it'll come out of here. And then for Amazon, it'll no longer be new. If you use any kind of the chemicals or anything, you don't want to get it. Even though the lighter fluid will dry, you'll never know it. I just don't like doing that. I like to be in. So first of all, with this one, I will try to see what happens with it first. I was able to get one corner up with the metal guy. The plastic guy is a little harder, but you can see with some manipulation, once it started, the plastic one you can use it too. Once she gets up far enough, but you can't see it, but it's leaving residue all through here. So now we're sticky. This one is really sticky for some reason. So we're just gonna clean it up. And usually one of these sponges will last, I don't know, 15, 20 items. You can buy them at Walmart. I think you can buy them pretty much anywhere. Walmart's the cheapest. I use the Equate brand. Sometimes they get like they are now. That was a little dry. It was making me scrub a little harder. But stickers off, no residue. It's already dry now. Meowth is good to go. So hopefully I answered some questions in there. The biggest thing really about stickers, the biggest thing with stickers is having the right tools. It's like anything else. Nothing with eBay, nothing with Amazon is difficult. But the more tools you have, the more things you can do to make it your jobs easier. You know, being prepared, never run out of this stuff. I've got it in my to-go bag when I take the office on the road. I've got a bottle just stays over there. I do only have one of these. I probably should have a second one, but I use it here and there. These are the ones I use the absolute most, and they get under stickers. They get especially combine this with a little heat, and you can get a lot of stickers off. And for delicate stuff, for stuff that you don't want scratched, the one thing I tell you to be very careful with, and I didn't have one, is Lego boxes. Lego boxes are, for those of you who are ungated in Lego and sell Lego, they have stickers on them, have clearance stickers on them. Lego boxes are very fragile. You cannot do a lot of pulling on a Lego box because you will tear that little thin membrane of paper that's covering the printed paper on the outside of a Lego box. And so the heat doesn't hurt it. So, you know, the method I showed where I heated the Walmart sticker, I've already bought them all up. The sticker where we heated the whole sticker across, you would definitely want to use that with Legos, because and boxes, any kind of boxes like that, because they're very delicate. It's not a good word, but they tear very easy. So, and it's not fragile because they're not like super fragile, but they're just, it's the type of box they are. It's the type of printing that's used on those boxes. Whereas this one with the shiny stuff on it, this kind of you're not going to destroy it. You're not going to do anything to it. That kind of finish is made for stuff not to stick to it. All right. So I hope you learned something. If you did, let me know in the comments below. I appreciate you watching. I hope this video was very helpful in your new budding online career. If anyone has any tips and tricks, it'd be awesome if you could put them down below in the comments so other people can read them and learn as well. I didn't cover everything. I just tried to cover the basics. You know, I tried to cover tools, try to cover how I do it, what I use, and yeah, so that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Roll Tide.